Sir, I would like to know that before you got into all of this, into Parul University and being the Vice Chancellor, I really would like to know a few things about your personal life, if you don't mind. I really hope you don't. The very first question, where exactly do you come from? What's your origin story?
I'm basically from Nadia city, which is nearer to Anand. It is located exactly in between Vadodara and Ahmedabad. So it is my native place.
So, on to the next story, basically would be what exactly sponsored you or propelled you into this journey of science, of engineering, especially computing engineering, because I took a look at your profile and you have amazing, or rather, you have a very interesting point of view or interest aspect. So, what exactly or what childhood memory would you
So
say brought you into that field?
I have chosen science based on my choice. So from initial state, I was very interested in science and technology. So science is all, our life is all about science, and without mathematics nothing is possible. So yes, my interest was there in science and mathematics, and that's why I have decided to go into the field. And of course computer at that time in year 1995 1996, it was becoming popular and it was new. So yes, everybody was interested, yeah, about computers and computer engineering. So I have decided to explore the career in computer engineering.
That's quite interesting considering a few years ago, most of our parents would actually tell us exactly where you should go. So the fact that you actually chose it out of passion, that's amazing. But sir, a few steps back, I noticed that there was a Christmas tree, and of course, India is not exactly known as a Christian country. So would that mean, or would that showcase the fact that Parul University is an inclusive community?
Yes. So we have a student from more than 50 countries, and we have students from all other states also. So we celebrate each and every festival, and we believe in the concept of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, where one world. So we talk about one India, one world, and yes, we celebrate all festivals, all events, so that everybody should feel like home.
Huh. So, sir, that actually makes me feel a bit safer, should I say, knowing that it's an inclusive community. Because that actually reminds me of this saying that we have in Southern Africa, which is basically Ubuntu, right? It's mostly you're going to find that saying in South Africa, and it basically stipulates that we're all one people. Essentially, the fact that we all bleed red, our blood comes from one source, one place, despite the colors you might have in the human color spectrum. So, yeah, I feel like that is a beautiful endeavor that we have achieved in the university, and I'm hoping that we can proceed or make it more prevalent in time.
Yeah, we also believe in same philosophy.